Hello students, now let's continue third part of lesson number 4. We have seen that two people who have confirmed that Bipin Babu went to Ranchi, that was Parimal Ghosh, and now Dinesh Mukherjee also confirmed that he went to Ranchi. Okay, now Bipin Babu also have some confused and become very surprised, and let's see what happened next in third part. After lunchtime, Bipin Babu realized that he couldn't possibly carry on sitting at his desk and working. Now it was a lunchtime, but there was a sandwich in his tiffin, but he cannot eat the sandwiches because he lost his hunger. We have seen that. Okay, but now Bipin Babu realized that he could not possibly carry on sitting. He could not eat anything and he could not probably sit properly in the desk and he cannot working. This and this had never happened in the 25 year he had been with the firm. So he had been working for about 25 years, but this type of experience had never before never before him that he could not working properly. So he had a reputation for being a tireless and conscientious worker. Conscientious means careful and correct worker. But today his head was in whirl. So today head was in whirl means here confused and unable to think clearly. Now he was very confused and he cannot decide what to do and what is right and what is wrong. Okay, so he cannot think properly and clearly. Back home at 2:30. Now he back to home at 2:30 because he was not able. Sorry, now turn the page, it's here. Okay, here. So back home at 2:30, Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits together. Now he have some rest. He went to home and have some rest on bed and tried to gather his wits together. So gather his wits together here means make an effort to become calm and think clearly. So he tried to think clearly what was happened in the past. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head, but he didn't know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident. So there was happened that one person can forgot events when the serious injury in his head, but it is not possible that a one person remember everything except one particular incident. તો એક ઇન્સિડન્ટ નહીં યાદ હોય, બીજું બધું જ યાદ હોય, એન્ડ વન ઇન્સિડન્ટ જ નહીં યાદ હોય, એવું બન્યું નથી આજ સુધી. ઓકે, એન્ડ અ ફેરલી recent and significant, and that incident was a recent incident, so in a near past incident, and that incident was significant, important for him. One at that he had always, why that incident was significant for him, because he always wanted to go to Ranchi. Okay, so that was very important for him to remember. Okay, because always he wanted to go Ranchi, but now he know that he forget that incident, so he does not believe on that. But on the other side, two people say that he went to Ranchi. Which two people? That Parimal Ghosh and Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay, so two people confirmed that. Now he was very confused. How it is possible? So it was very significant, and he had always wanted to go to Ranchi, to have gone there, done things, and not to remember was something utterly impossible. So it was important for him to go to Ranchi, and he went there, he done different things, and then he forgot everything. So that is something utterly impossible things. Bipin Babu thought that at 7:30 at Bipin Babu's home. At 7:30, Bipin Babu's servant came and announced, Chunni Babu sir says it's very important. So his servant came to Bipin Babu and says, there is Chunni Babu came at your home and he said that it was very important. Okay, so Bipin Babu knew what Chunni had come for. Now Chunni Babu is Bipin Babu's school friend, okay, childhood friend. So that childhood friend Chunni Babu came to Bipin Babu's home and he said that it was important work. So his servant calling to Bipin Babu, and Bipin Babu knew that what Chunni had come for. Chunni Lal had been at school with him, so they were school friends. He had been having a rough time, so laterally, and had been coming to see him about a job. So after that he had been having a rough time, means so he had been having a lot of problems, and for that he coming to see him about a job. So many times Chunni Babu came to Bipin Babu's home for job, for asking job. Now Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him, and in fact told him so. So in that matter, so for job, Bipin Babu does not, it was not possible him to do anything about job. And in fact Bipin Babu told Chunni Babu also that he cannot do anything for his job. But Chunni kept turning up like a bad penny. So turning up like a bad penny means appearing at a place where one is not welcome. So Chunni Babu kept on trying and always came to Bipin Babu's home for asking job, whereas he was not invited at Bipin Babu's home. Though then also Chunni Babu kept on coming to Bipin Babu's home. Now Bipin Babu sent word that not only was it not possible for him to see Chunni now, but not in several weeks. Now Bipin Babuએ શું કહેવડાવ્યું કે હું અત્યારે જ નહીં પણ આના પછી પણ થોડા અઠવાડિયા સુધી મળી શકીશ નહીં. આવું કોને કહેવડાવ્યું? ધેટ સર્વન્ટને કહેવડાવ્યું. ઓકે, બટ એઝ સૂન એઝ ધ સર્વન્ટ સ્ટેપ્ડ આઉટ ઓફ ધ રૂમ, it struck Bipin Babu that Chunni might remember something about the 1958 trip. So when the servant was stepped out from the Bipin Babu's room, Bipin Babu thought that if I went to trip on Ranchi, that Chunni Babu must have know about the trip. જો હું રાંચી ગયો હોઉં તો ચુન્ની બાબુને ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. ઓકે, સો he must have known about 1958 trip. There was no harm in asking him, and he thought that there was no harm to asking Chunni Babu. Now Bipin Babu hurried down the street and into the living room, and Chunni was about to leave. So there Bipin Babu, he reached to living room where Chunni Babu was waiting for Bipin Babu, and Chunni Babu was about to leave the home, but seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round hopefully. Now Chunni Babu saw Bipin Babu coming toward him. So he turned round hopefully. So એ આશાથી ઊભો રહ્યો. Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Now Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush means came straight to the point. Now Bipin Babu came straight to the point. Listen Chunni, I want to ask you something. You have a good memory and you have been seeing me off and on. So seeing off and on means now and then. So you always been touch with me. So that was the meaning. For a long time. Just throw your mind back. Throw your mind back means think back and recall a past event. So think about the past and recall past event and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 1958? So here Bipin Babu asked to Chunni Babu for the confirmation of Ranchi trip in 1958. Now Chunni Babu said 1958, it must have been 1958 or was it 1959? So here Chunni Babu also said that was the trip in 1958 or was the trip in 1959? So it was shocking for Bipin Babu that he was also confirmed that the Bipin Babu went to Ranchi. Now there was three people. Now let's see what he said. Chunni Babu said, okay, let's turn the page. You are here. Okay, let's see what Chunni Babu said. You are sure that I did go to Ranchi? So here Bipin Babu asked that you are sure that I did go to Ranchi? Now Chunni's look of amazement was not unmixed with worry. Now he was very surprised, amazed, and he was also little worried. Chunni Babu was also little worried about Bipin Babu. Did you mean you have doubt about having gone at all? So he asked that તમે ગયા છે એવું તમને doubt છે? So did I go? Do you remember clearly? So Bipin Babu again asked that did I go? હું ગયો હતો તને clearly યાદ છે? Chunni sat down on the sofa. Now Chunni was sat down on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu he with a long and hard stare and said. So long time he stared at Bipin Babu. ઓકે સોફા પર બેસી ગયો અને થોડો વાર કોને સાઈડ જોયા કર્યું બિપિન બાબુ તરફ જોયું and said, Bipin, have you take a drugs or something? Okay, so he was doubt about it that if you forgot the trip about Ranchi, then have you taken to drug or something? To drug કે આવું કશું લે છે? So Chunni Babu asked, as far as I know, you had a clean record where such things were concerned. So you cannot do these types of thing. I know that. So Chunni also conclude that. I know that old friendship doesn't mean much to you, but at least you had a good memory. You can't really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi trip. So Chunni Babu doesn't believe that Bipin Babu forgot about Ranchi trip. So he told that you older friendship is not doesn't more meaning to you, but you have a good memory and you can't forgot Ranchi trip. So he told that it was a fun. Okay, because you have a good memory. Now Bipin Babu had a turn away from Chunni's incredulous stare. Incredulous means showing disbelief or surprise. So now Bipin Babu had turned away. હવે ચુન્ની બાબુએ એના તરફ એકદમ સરપ્રાઇઝથી જોયું. So Bipin Babu was turned away from Chunni Babu's incredulous stare. Now do you remember what my last job was? Asked Chunnilal. Okay, now Chunnilal asked something more, that if the Bipin Babu remember or not. So Bipin Babu replied that of course you worked in travel agency. You remember that, and You don't remember that it was I who fixed up your railway booking for Ranchi? So, if you remember that I am working in travel agency last time, that do you not remember that I myself fixed your railway booking for Ranchi? So રાંચીનું રેલવે બુકિંગ મેં જ કર્યું હતું, એ તને યાદ નથી? હું કોણ કહે છે? ચુન્ની બાબુ કહે છે. So I went to the station to see of you. So he recall all the events. બરોબર, ચુન્ની બાબુ પણ શું કરે છે? એના જેટલા પણ આગળના ઇવેન્ટ બનેલા છે રાંચી જતા હતા ત્યારે એ બધા રિકોલ કરે છે. સો આઈ વેન્ટ ટુ ધ સ્ટેશન ટુ સી ઓફ યુ. વન ઓફ ધ ફેન્સ in your compartment was not working. So at that time, so that was one event while he was going to Ranchi. So he recalled that. Chunni Babu recalled that અને યાદ કરવાની કોશિશ કરે છે. Okay, so don't you know that the one of your fan of your compartment was not working and I got an electrician to fix it. Have you forgotten everything? બધું તને કશું યાદ નથી? Whatever is the matter with you? You don't look too well, you know. Okay, so he told that you are not looking good. So Bipin Babu shied and shook his head. Bipin Babu doesn't tell anything and he only moved his head. I have been working too hard. So now he told that I have been working too hard, he said at last. So Bipin Babu replied that બહુ કામ કરું છું, કદાચ એટલે હશે. That must be the reason. Must see about consulting a specialist. Now he told that you must go to a special doctor and consult him. Now doubtless it was Bipin's condition which made Chunnilal leave without mentioning anything about a job. So at that time Bipin Babu was very confused and because of that reason Chunnilal doesn't say anything about his job. Okay, so now there were 3 people who were confirmed say that he went to Ranchi. Which 3 people said? First one, Parimal Ghosh, then Dinesh Mukherjee, then Chunni Babu. Okay, so these 3 people confirmed say that Bipin Babu went to Ranchi. But now Bipin Babu, he doesn't accept and he doesn't know, he forget everything about Ranchi trip. So he was very confused. Now what he did, now what he do, let's see. So Paresh Chanda was a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and sharp nose. He was a physician, doctor. He became thoughtful when he heard about Bipin Babu's symptoms. Now Bipin Babu go to a doctor and the doctor's name was Paresh Chanda. Okay, and he was also surprised, doctor was also surprised to he heard about the symptoms of Bipin Babu. Look, Dr. Chanda, said Bipin Babu desperately, you must cure me of this terrible illness. I can't tell you how it's affecting my job. Now you have to cure my illness. Bipin Babu request to Dr. Chanda. Okay, so because this illness affecting my job. Now turn the page. Okay, Dr. Chanda shook his head. Now Dr. Chanda also moved his head. You know what, Mr. Chaudhary? He said, you know what, Mr. Chaudhary? He said, I have never had to deal with a case such as yours. So doctor also said that I have never seen a case like you. Frankly, this is quite outside my field of experience. So I have never experienced this type of case in my life. But I have one suggestion. I don't know if it will work, but it's worth a try. I can do no harm. It can do no harm. So he gave one suggestion. Okay, so he was also surprised. Doctor was also surprised to see the symptoms of Bipin Babu, to forgot one incident from his life. But he gave one suggestion. What is the suggestion? Bipin Babu leaned forward anxiously. So he was anxiously look at Mr. Chanda. So what the suggestion he gave, that as far as I can make out, said Dr. Chanda, and I think you are of the same opinion. You must have been to Ranchi, but due to some unknown reason, the entire episode has slipped out of your mind. So he told that you must go to Ranchi at once again, because you slipped out of your mind from that entire episode, and the sight of the place may remind you of your trip. Okay, if you see the different place of Ranchi, it may remind you again the trip that had you done. This is not possible. More than that, I cannot do at the moment. So at the moment I cannot do anything, but that was my suggestion. I am prescribing a nerve tonic and a tranquilizer, that sleep is essential, or the symptoms will get more pronounced. Okay, so he gave some medicines to Bipin Babu and give a suggestion to went and visit Ranchi once again. તો એકવાર પાછો રાંચી ગઈને જોઈ લે, આવું એણે સજેશન આપ્યું. Bipin Babu felt somewhat better the next morning. So he felt better in the next morning, and after breakfast he rang up his office and gave some instruction, and then procured means got a first class ticket for Ranchi for the same evening. Okay, now he was also decide to go to Ranchi once again. According to doctor's suggestion, he also want to go to Ranchi and see the different places of Ranchi, that he also thought that it may also help him to recall all the incident that his Ranchi trip. Okay, so now we'll stop here, and the fourth part will discuss later what will be happen next. Okay, that will be discussed later. Till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.